kukumustahin ko lang yung mga tao na tulungan. Masabi nila, may nagsabi na wala daw akong ginawa para sa inyo. Kayo ang maghusga.
Thanks to you, sir. We are still inspired and enjoy and all the work he has done for us. From mayor, from Yolanda until the president, when time the pandemic comes, you still stood to find a way to find a vaccine. I'm really thank you, sir, for your hard work. Thank you. Still, Duterte, thank you.
Sakit kayo sa akong buot nga pagka hitabo diri sa